Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of t-shirt design by using Adobe Illustrator, and also I will teach you how you can install a script in Adobe Illustrator. So grab your creativity hat and let's get designing. First, you need to have some stylish font for t-shirt design, and second, all text must be divided into a separate layers. As you can see, I have separated into a different layers. Like make is a different, your is a different, day, all are different layers. The font I'm using is available in the description, download below, go and get it. So now select all the layers and go to file, script, text block, click OK again, and boom, you have a beautiful text aligned into a kind of a vertical box. And later on I am going to tell you how you can install script into your Adobe Illustrator. Now take the pen tool and draw a line from top to bottom. Select all and click exclude from the Pathfinder menu. If you don't see the menu right over there, go to Window, then Pathfinder. Click on exclude, which is the last option under the shape modes option. There we go. Now delete all extra shapes, make it ungroup first and delete all them one by one. We don't need them at all, we only need a clean design. Now this time select the cutting text and change its color. I'm gonna use blue. You can use the color whatever you want. Let's make a shape right underneath, something like that. Let's apply some cuts on the side to look similar to the font style. Now select all and copy entire design. Go to edit, copy, and again paste in front. Move it to the side and click on United. Now go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Put the value around 12 and click OK. Select all and make them united. Again go to Object, Path, Offset Path. And now this time put the value around -4 and click OK. Select all and click on exclude. Change the color to blue and drag it over the text design and make it align to look perfect. There we go. And also these extra lines, I'm gonna delete them all. Double click on it and select and delete. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can install script into your Adobe Illustrator. Once you download the script and you have it in your computer, it looks like that. Text block, right click on it and copy. Now go to C drive where your Adobe Illustrator installed, then click Program File, Adobe Illustrator, Presets, and Scripts, and paste it over here. I'm already pasted there. Click on Continue. And now you have installed it in your Adobe Illustrator. First restart your Illustrator, then use it. We hope this tutorial sparked your creativity and inspired you to create something amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with more design tutorials. Until next time, keep designing and stay creative.